Bang it out, unraveling the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to talk about the phrase, bang out. You might have heard this phrase in casual conversations, movies, or songs, and wondered about its meaning. Well, worry no more, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use bang out like a native speaker. First, let's understand the literal meaning of the words bang and out. Bang, a loud noise, like something hitting or falling. Out, a preposition often indicating a direction away from a central point. So, if you think about these words together, it might sound like making a loud noise while moving something out of its place. However, as is often the case with idiomatic expressions, the phrase has a different meaning when used colloquially. In everyday language, to bang out something means to produce something quickly, often without paying much attention to details. It suggests a sense of urgency or efficiency. Examples: 1. I have to bang out this essay before midnight. 2. She managed to bang out a song in just 30 minutes. In these examples, the phrase doesn't have anything to do with loud noises or moving things. It simply means to complete a task rapidly. Now, English is a rich language, so let's learn some similar phrases. Whip up, to create something quickly. Used especially when talking about cooking. E.g., she whipped up a delicious dinner in no time. Dash off, to write or draw something quickly. E.g., he dashed off a note to his teacher. It's good to know these related expressions as they help to enrich your vocabulary and give you more options to express similar ideas. And there we have it. Now you not only understand the meaning of bang out, but you also know how to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. So don't hesitate to use them. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!